Here's me. Come on, Gooch.
I'm so excited.
He just jumps.
Don't go away. Come on.
Throw it far.
Throw it way far, baby.
Good, Thoreau.
There. Now they're
He
coming.
just dances, he's so excited.
Here you go, baby. Hey, they're coming back. Nice throw, baby. Oh, yeah, here they're coming.
Oh, boy.
Don't chase, they just get spooked. Good job. Wow, those black ducks have really taken over the mallard ducks. I can't believe that.
Do you think they've had enough dinner? Oh,
Yeah.
here they come.
They like their bread, huh?
Yeah.
You don't have to go yet. We still have a little bit more. Here, sweetheart. Throw it really hard, okay? Throw really hard out there. Way out there. Nice!